Profession ba ang pagiging DJ at may course ba sa college para dito? Dalawang parte yung tanong mo. Una, yes, I think DJing is a profession. It's something that you can do para kumita, para maghanap buhay, para mag-provide para sa pamilya mo, pambayad sa mga utilities, rent, clothing, food. Ang pagkakaiba ng DJing compared to like a normal day job, for example, is wala kang mga benefits na nakukuha mo sa pagiging isang empleyado, katulad ng health benefits. Wala kang pag-ibig, wala kang SSS. You have to do all of these things on your own individually. Kung magiging professional DJ ka, ibig sabihin you have to file your own taxes also. So kailangan may alam ka tungkol sa bookkeeping, or you hire a bookkeeper and then you get an accountant to help you para dun sa mga pagbabayad mo ng buwis. So, pwede mo rin isipin na yung DJing para siyang pagiging isang freelancer, di ba? So, that means na pwede ka mag-DJ or magtrabaho for different venues or different sound systems. Pwede kang kunin para sa mga events, sa mga function, yung mga kasal, tulad niyan. Pero at the same time, you also have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your health. Kailangan mo mong siguraduhin na nagbabayad ka ng tamang buwis and all of these other things, just like you were employed or you have your own business. Now, the second part of your question, meron bang course nito sa college? Okay, sa Pilipinas, so far, sa pagkakaalam ko, walang actual college course that teaches you how to be a DJ or how to work in the nightlife industry. But I don't think that should matter. Bakit? Because I don't think you should go to college to learn how to be a DJ. You can learn how to be a DJ online. Ang daming mga online courses that you can take. Ang daming free tutorials like this one, like my channel, for example. Hindi mo kailangang gumastos ng college tuition sa pagiging isang DJ. This is something that you can learn on the side even while you are in college, for example. And in fact, this is something that I encourage. Imbes na maging full-time DJ ka, why don't you finish school if you're able to finish school, or magtrabaho ka if you're able to work, and then do DJing on the side. Parang sideline mo siya, paraan siya para kumita ka ng extra cash pambayad sa mga gastusin. At the same time, I also encourage you to learn DJing, not for it to be like a way for you to earn money, but just as a way for you to enjoy life and music. Para siyang hobby, kumbaga. Siyempre, sobrang importante magtrabaho, especially ngayon sa ekonomiya natin na talagang napakahirap. Ang mahal na mga bilihin, everything is going up. Pero kung may kaunti kang time para mag-relax, mag-enjoy, why not take up DJing?